This AmScope binocular compound microscope delivers a very wide magnification range from lower power scanning to very high detail work, making it suitable for serious study of cells, bacteria, and other fine structures. The optics are impressively sharp and color accurate for this class, thanks to achromatic objective lenses and well-matched eyepieces that keep images crisp across the field of view. Its dual-layer mechanical stage with smooth XY controls and coaxial focusing knobs makes slide navigation and fine focusing feel precise rather than fussy, even during long sessions. The Siedentopf-style head with adjustable interpupillary distance and diopter, combined with a comfortable viewing angle, helps reduce neck and eye strain for students and lab users. The built-in LED illumination with adjustable intensity and a centerable Abbe condenser provides bright, evenly distributed light that brings out subtle contrast in prepared and live specimens. The included blank slides, cover slips, and immersion oil create a ready-to-use starter kit that lets new users begin serious microscopy work right out of the box.